Good afternoon, everyone. This is Karl F. Rose recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Sunday, March 14th, 2021. I was going to make this a YouTube short, but no, it's going to take a little longer. Anyway, I just want to show you another way to promote your YouTube channel via an Android app or iOS or whatever. But an app that I created is called, we're looking at my screen here, it's called ICU Video Sharing. Let me tap on that. Okay, and then we're looking at my Redbubble store. I'll get to that in a minute. Let me just kind of swipe over to the left and get to all this, and I'll show you what I've got going on here. Okay, we'll start with this. Here's my, I set up my own network here because I'm going to be, with YouTube's new policy changes on a number of things, I create content that might conflict with some of those. So I made my own network, and as you can see, I have a 2-week trial period. You can try it for free for 2 weeks, and you can cancel anytime. And then I talk about the network here and why you shouldn't join the network. Also, then I thank everybody, and then oops, get out of here. All right, and then there it is. Yeah. And so, yeah, it's available on iOS and Android. Anyway, after the 2 weeks, if you like it, it's $10 a month. But I give everybody a 2-week trial period. Okay, then we swipe over to the right, and there's my Twitter. Here's my Twitter. I promote that too, and there you can see my YouTube channel. That's how I promote my channel there. Then we go to TikTok, and as you can see, I've got my little subscribe things. I do little blurbs on TikTok, and I talk about my channel every now and then on TikTok. Then there's my Instagram, and as you can see, I've got my YouTube channel there. And then I sell products too. So here's my Fine Art America store, and you can see, as this, what I like on this is it has the, this is an auto slideshow, so it has 3 little things here, but, and then you got all my various collections and stuff. Oh, okay, yeah. I do have in-app purchases on this app, so pop-ups are going to appear here. And then here's my Zazzle store, and then you can see you get home, collections, and then about, and then here's some of my products. And then finally, there's my Redbubble page. When you hit it, it's going to take you all the way to the bottom, and then you have to scroll up. But here's how you find all my collections. But let me when you get on here, let's see, it says View Artist Profile. You tap that, and when you hit this tab, it takes you to the bottom, so you have to scroll all the way up. But as you can see, and I have a number of things. Mainly what I'm doing a lot of lately is face masks, and we're back to here again. But that's all I really wanted to do. I was trying to get this on a short, but it's just impossible for me to get this in just 1 minute. Just too much to say. But anyway, that's another way to promote your YouTube channel and your products, merch, and that sort of thing. Anyway, well, that's about it, and I will talk to you next time.